And this is government. You cannot be higher than any government. You cannot be carrying gun to intimidate people to not to do their work. Let me tell you, if God got a chief of defense staff who spoke to me here, he could have killed everybody here. No problem. I'm not one of those that they can intimidate and do my job. That's what they are doing.
The civilian, the engineer mobilized to site, and then staff or workers of FCDA look at this to intimidate them.
No, listen now. That is the
threatening
problem.
them. And that was when the admiral gave the order.
He cannot give order against government.
Because the papers are complete and he said that some.
Are you the one? Listen, you know the problem you have. Are you the one that will say, paper? Show me that you are. First of all, show me that government gave you this place. 2, show me that you have an approval to build what you are building. It has nothing to do with I'm a vice admiral, I'm a lieutenant general. That is not it. We must work according to law. We must work according to law. And who?
No, anybody don't tell lie, please. Don't tell lie.
Don't you try it.
I said it. Don't tell lie. Don't tell lie. Don't tell me this.
Don't tell me I'm lying.
I'm more than an officer. I'm more than an officer. I'm more than you. Look at you. Don't introduce me. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? I am MNI. I'm MNI. Who are you? I'm so bad. Who are you?
I'm a small boy, but the commissioner very confused.
No, embarrassment is this one. We have seen them. Please.
It's okay. From demolition is property. Okay, sir. Roger, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it working? If you are a person, you cannot continue to work illegal. You are not the one to say we have documents. You are not the one. No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't
That's
matter.
all that matters. I'm an officer. Take to order.
So what? You are harder who than me.
Sir, I'm an officer. Take to order.
To order that you take illegal.
Mr. General.
Okay.
I can't say no. That means
You can never develop this property. I will not allow it.
No problem, sir.
You are
I'm
not,
only acting on my
if
orders.
you want to kill everybody, kill everybody.
We will not kill
You
anybody,
cannot.
sir. We will not. We will not kill anybody.
You put yourself in trouble.
We will not.
My friend, you see the minister.
You cannot shut me up. You cannot shut me up. You are my junior. You cannot even talk when I'm talking. But because
I have to reach
you're only dashing away. Why are you I'll be talking and policemen will be talking.
You cannot to carry security to intimidate workers. It's not done, sir. I've never seen this happen. You go and carry somebody's land because you're an officer. Nobody does that. The man took land. I will not allow because he was the chief of naval and then he began to carry land.
Sir, everything was
Will you stop
sir,
that? Will you stop that?
I'm an officer. I have integrity.
Shut up, your mouth. Who does that? Will you get out?
Sir, who shut up? Sir,
I was in school. You're not in school.
Sir, you can't shut
Will you
me
keep quiet? If you're a big fool,
I'm not
you're a big fool.
I'm not a fool,
You can shoot anybody like that.
Sir, I'm not
You're
a fool.
Who are you?
I am not a fool, sir.
As at the time I graduated, you were in primary school.
I'm acting on orders.
Which
You can't
order?
call me a fool.
You will see whether you will not live here.
Sir, you can't call me a fool.
Go and develop here. Go and develop here.
I'm not a fool, sir.
Don't hell with your so corrupt. You would have killed everybody here.
No, we won't kill anybody. We won't kill anybody. We're acting on orders.
Keep quiet.
What this is all about?
Well, it's unfortunate. And these are the kind of things that retard our development. You are aware that the land departments and the development control have been mandated to see where there are illegal development going on and land grabbing. And when this was brought to my attention, I did instruct them to make sure that nothing takes place in as much as they did not have any legal paper in terms of building approval or even the acquisition of the land. And when they came here, I was informed that the soldiers of the military had to chase them away. And I thought probably they would be acting illegally. And so today, while I was in the office, while they came to implement the directive that was given to them by myself, I was called that the military have taken over the place. And I have to come by myself to see things for myself. It's really unfortunate. And you heard what the officer said he was sent by the former chief of naval staff. And I don't understand how somebody who attained that position and he said that he has a problem cannot approach my office to say, look, this is what is going on, this is what is going on. But simply because he's a military man, he could use that to intimidate Nigerians. I'm not one of those kind of persons that will succumb to blackmail or intimidation. And you can imagine where you cannot even prove where are the documents. And the director of development control is there. I said, look, I was here. I said, bring the documents. You don't have the documents. Bring the approval for building. You don't have it. And how can we continue to allow lawlessness to prevail in this country? What about those who don't have the military? What about those who don't have security? It has gotten to a level where when government officials are carrying out their job, you go and bring security to intimidate them against government officials. I will not accept that. I've spoken to the Chief of Defense Staff and I've spoken to the Chief of Naval Staff, and they have assured me that, please, they have to resolve the matter. And we're not coming here to have a shootout with anybody to cause chaos or not. But what I can say, I would not allow it to happen. The way we have done, carried our jobs in other areas, in the same way it will be done here. He will not carry out this illegal development and land grab simply because he was a former chief of naval staff. I would not allow that. And that's the situation where we are.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Go, they'll come arrest you.